Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lucy. Today we're going to review the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. We're going to find out, is it the right kind of foundation for dry skin? I'm going to let you know my experience with it because I've tried it a few times before. So stick around to see that. Also, we're going to play with some Black Friday makeup that I bought, some Black Friday steals. This was a Black Friday steal also. So we'll see how well this foundation plays with the new makeup that I have. Okay, so one of the Black Friday things that I got was a Jeffree Star mirror, and it is the really pretty, like, opalescent colored one. So this is the first time that I'm using it. Very excited about that. Oops, sorry, sass. It's clean. Okay, so also I got for Christmas from my boyfriend the Manny Mua Morphe brush set. So we're gonna use that today to do the makeup. And my cat Sassy is in the room, and now she's playing with the Jeffree Star mirror box. So that's gonna be fun. Holy crap. Okay, so the Manny kit comes with all these brushes. It's like 10 of them. So these eye ones and a highlighter one. So, oops, better, yeah. So pretty cool. Okay, so I primed with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And my cat is already trying to eat my background. Cool. Okay, so I already primed with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and we're gonna go ahead and apply the Dose of Colors foundation. All right, so here is close up with the Dose of Colors foundation, and I got it in the color 113 along with the concealer, which is in color 11. And let's go ahead and take a look at what the consistency looks like. I do like the Tatcha primer pretty much with any foundation. I feel like I know that no matter what the foundation is, it'll go on the right way if I have the Tatcha primer on. It's really pricey, but I think it's worth it. So if you can grab it during a sale or something, I think that's your best bet. I'm gonna try to cover up the blemishes that I have. Trying to use less foundation lately. So we're gonna try to blend this out as much as we can. Definitely more white right now in the winter time. Good times. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. So you can layer it. You can go heavier on layers if you want more full coverage. Like I said before, I'm trying to not wear so much foundation anymore. I used to just kind of try to pile it on as much as I could. And I have really dry skin. If you haven't watched any of my videos before, welcome to my channel. I have really dry skin. So I try to look for products that are dry skin friendly. I can look like an antique if I wear too much powder with anything. So I think with this one, we're gonna wear very minimal powder, and I wanna use a dewy setting spray. I have one in mind to use. Depending on how dry you are, you might not even need to use powder. I mean, there are some people that are just really dry, and if you use powder, forget it. Don't even do it. Okay, so next we're gonna use the concealer, and I have the concealer in the color light medium 11. Okay, so we're gonna use the same brush, and I don't think I said it before, it's the M439 by Morphe, and this is the foundation brush in the Manny Mua brush set. I've seen reviews on this foundation and concealer from other YouTubers, and a lot of the time they're really shiny, and I noticed that those people have more oily skin. So for me, I don't really get much of a shine with this foundation. Yeah, I think maybe I'm just gonna go over just a teeny bit with a powder, just once, and then we will move on to some other new makeup that I bought for Black Friday. I'm just using the Kylie You're Perfect Perfecting Powder, and I'm just gonna really lightly kind of put it over some areas. So we're gonna go ahead and put on some new makeup that I got. I got the new, they're new to Ulta, the Nabla brand. It's the Cutie palette, the number 2 Coral. Oops, there goes the clear part. So it's really pretty. I saw this and I had to have it. So we're gonna use that today. Another Black Friday deal I got, I got a bunch of stuff from Lancôme. This is the Lip Blaze. So we're gonna see how this goes with the palette that I picked. I don't know, it might be too dark. Dose of Colors, another Dose of Colors. I got the eyeliner, it was on sale. Dose of Colors had like 30% off of everything for Black Friday. So I did get the foundation during that sale too. Also, I picked up the World O Blushes palette from Benefit, and it includes the Hoola bronzer along with 3 of their really popular blushes. So this is so cute and I really like it. I've used it once before. And last but not least, another new goodie that I got around the holidays was a Jaclyn Hill. I got 2 of the Jaclyn Hill highlighters. So today we're gonna put on Amped on my face. This is the brush that I got from Beautylish from their 420 set. So this is like the powder brush, and I'm gonna use that for the Hoola bronzer today. This is the California blush by Benefit. So I have the Lip Blaze by Lancôme, and then I have the Kylie lipstick. I think I'm gonna go with the Kylie lipstick because I think it's gonna go better with the eyeshadow that I'm gonna use. So far, so good. I'm feeling good about the foundation. The powders that I put have layered nicely on top of it. I'm not feeling too dry. I feel like I'm pretty good. So I'm using Kybrow pomade in medium brown. And I'm gonna use the brush from the Manny Mua set. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other brow and prime my eyes off camera, and then we'll be back. Okay, so I did my eyebrows and I primed with the concealer, with the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer. So I think that this is, so far, so good. The claims of the foundation are that it is a matte finish, which I don't think it's very matte. I think that it's more satin, which I'm not complaining about. I think it's a really good finish for dry skin. I think it is buildable, like it says on the side. It says lightweight and long wear. Both of those things I agree with. I do feel like it's lightweight and it lasts a long time. I have worn it twice to work and once I think just a random day, and I really liked it. I found the way I wore it, it didn't crease in my smile lines. I have some pretty gnarly smile lines, so I am very expressive throughout the day, and I didn't see those cracks. Usually I'm like having to do that throughout the day in the mirror at work, and I didn't really find that with this foundation. So good times. Thank you, Dose of Color. All right, so next we are going to go ahead and do the eyes with the Nabla Cutie palette, and I got this one on Ulta. It wasn't on sale. I think they did go on sale around the holidays. I got this one before, like the minute it came back in stock, because it was out of stock for a while. And I used a coupon for it. So I did technically get it on sale. I think I used, I don't know, like a $15 off coupon, and then I got something else or a few other things with it. Who knows? I bought too much this holiday season. What did you guys buy? Comment down below what you bought. I want to see what everybody bought, what sales you guys hit, what, you know, websites. Dose of Colors had a really good sale. I think they were 40% off. I said 30. It's either 30 or 40. Pretty sure it was 40. It was a really good sale. So that's why I ended up grabbing the foundation, the concealer, and then I got 2 eyeliners from them. So I scored with the Dose of Colors sale for sure. All right, so I'm gonna start with the color Feelings in the Nabla palette. And we're gonna go from there. I think the shadow is blending well, and I think the Dose of Colors concealer is, I think it's a really good eyeshadow base as well. So it can be concealer and base. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the shade I Got You on the lid. It's that pretty pink right there. Using the Dose of Colors highlighter, or sorry, Dose of Colors eyeliner that I got. Very pretty, and it is in Crushed. It's like a plum berry color. Today I'm going to use the Haus Laboratories eyeliner in Punk, and I'm going to do the mascara from Lancôme the Grandiose. Grandiose. I don't know how you say it. Okay, so this eyeliner is amazing. This is one of my favorite eyeliners. I wish it was a brush tip. I am a huge fan of brush tips. For it being a felt tip though, it's not too bad. Okay, so I may have jinxed it because my camera just overheated, but it took longer than the last time, so that's awesome. So what we're gonna do, I already did my eyeliner and my mascara, so we're gonna use the Jaclyn Hill highlighter now, which I've used before and I think is bomb. It is in the color Amped, and a lot of them were sold out when I went to go buy it because it was like the day of the launch. So I picked this one. It might be a little too dark for me, but I really don't care because I think it's beautiful anyway. Yes, this highlighter is bomb, and it goes over the Dose of Colors foundation very well. I'm gonna line the lips with the old ginger lip liner that I have from Kylie Cosmetics, and then I'm gonna use the Coming to Town matte lipstick. All right, and then we're gonna just finish this off with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Setting Mist. This is my holy grail for not looking like a dusty antique shoe. I need more of this stuff. And I'm just kind of pressing things in with this foundation brush, not too hard, just lightly to meld it together. All right, so my final thoughts on this foundation. I really like it. I think it is a good one for dry skin. I think that if you are more oily, you're gonna have some problems with it. By the end of the day, you will most likely be an oily mess with it. But I think for dry skin, it's kind of a savior because it'll last you the entire day and you won't be oily because if you're dry, you're not gonna create the oil. And this foundation just really evens it out. I've used it twice before, have worn it at work. I work an office job, 8-hour days, so I put it on around like 7 o'clock hour-ish. By the time I get home, it's like 5 or 6, and my foundation still looks really good. So I'm pleased with it. The last few times I've used it too, I've noticed there are no creasing right here in my crazy smile lines. So that's pretty much what I ask for in a foundation, is to not crease right there and to last throughout the day, because I do work. So if you've used this, let me know what your experience is with it below, what your skin type is, and then how it worked out for you. Because I think skin type is really important when it comes to this foundation. People will kind of diss certain products, but it's because they have, you know, different skin. So we need certain skin for certain products. I don't know, whatever. Don't use it if you have oily skin. But if you do, maybe use a mattifying primer, and then that might even it out. Or powder might even it out too. It really just depends. So, you know, do what's best for you. But definitely share your experience with me down below. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is Lucy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. Hit the bell for notifications and make sure you hit all so you can get all the notifications that when I come out with new videos. I am going to do a giveaway on my next video, so you want to tune in for that. I'm giving away a bunch of makeup, and it's gonna include an awesome brush set and an awesome palette, so you wanna stick around my channel and find out what exactly that one is so you can win it and how you can win it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Mwah. Sass, you're gonna have to go. And then there's my dog, Leon.